Good afternoon. Today we are going to learn some problems from geometric series. Example 2.49. Find the sum 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus etc. up to infinity. So here this GP is 3, 1, 1 by 3 up to infinity. So we know the formula to find the sum to infinite terms of a GP. The formula is Sn is equal to A by 1 minus R. So here what is A? A is first term, that is 3. What is R? R is equal to T2 by T1. That is second term by first term. 1 by 3. So this is R. Now apply the values in this formula. Sn is equal to A value is 3 by 1 minus R is 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 by, take the LCM here, LCM is 3, 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3, which is equal to 3 into, this will comes in the numerator, that is 3 by 2 as a reciprocal, which is equal to 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2. So Sn is equal to 9 by 2. This is the answer. Example 2.50. Find the rational form of the number 0.6666 etc. We have to write the rational form of this number. So first we are going to write this number in a form of GP. That is 0.6666 etc. equal to 0.6 plus 0.06 plus 0.006 plus 0.0006 plus etc. Add these, you will get this value, this number. Now this is in the form of GP. Here what is first term? A is equal to 0.6. What is R? R is equal to second term by first term, that is 0.06 by 0.6. Now multiply both the terms by 100 so that you will get 6 by 60. 0.06 into 100 is 6. 0.6 into 100 is 60. 166, 166, 0. This is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 0.1. So this is R. Now we know the formula to find the sum to infinite terms. Here we have infinite terms. To find the infinite terms of the GP, we have the formula, that is Sn is equal to A by 1 minus R. The formula is Sn is equal to A by 1 minus R, which is equal to A is 0.6 by 1 minus R is 0.1. 0.1, which is equal to 0.6 by 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. 1 means 1.00 minus 0.1, 0.1. Now we can't subtract this, so borrow 10 minus 1 is 9.0, so 0.9. Now multiply both by 10, 0.6 into 10 by 0.9 into 10, which is equal to 6 by 9. We can cancel this. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the answer here is 2 by 3. The rational form of the number 0.6666 etc. is 2 by 3. Example 2.51. Find the sum to n terms of the series 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus etc. up to n terms. Here it is given, find the sum to n terms. So 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus etc. to n terms we have to find the sum of this one. Here we can take 5 common outside. So remaining, if you take the 5 from this one, if you take 5 common outside, remaining you get 1 plus from the second term 55 we took 5 outside, remaining 11 plus from this 111 plus etc. up to n terms. Now I am going to multiply and divide by 9. If you multiply and divide the same number, the value will not change. 5 into 9 divided by 9. So 9 get cancelled, you will get the actual value. Here multiplying and dividing the same number gives the same value. Into 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. up to n terms, which is equal to, now multiply this 9 inside. So remaining you have 5 by 9. Now multiply this 9 only inside, so that you will get to 9. 1 into 9 is 9 plus 9 into 11 is 99 plus 9 into 111 is 999 plus etc. up to n terms, which is equal to, now 5 by 9, we can write this 9 as 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 plus, we can write 99 as 100 minus 1 plus, we can write this 999 as 1000 minus 1 plus etc. up to n terms, which is equal to 5 by 9. Now I am going to write 10, 100, thousands together. So I am going to write these terms first. So 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus etc. up to n terms. Minus, here how many ones are there? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 up to n times. So minus n, which is equal to 5 by 9. Here see this 10, 100, 1000 etc. This is in the form of GP. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here what is A? A is 10. First term. What is R? R is T2 by T1, that is 100 by 10. 10. R is also 10. Now we know that the formula is Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Here what is A? A is 10 into R is also 10. 10 power n minus 1 by R. Again R is 10 minus 1 minus this n, which is equal to, this 5 by 9 is common for these two terms. Now I am going to multiply 5 by 9 to these two terms, so that you will get 5 into 10, 50 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 is 9 minus 5 into n is 5n by 9, which is equal to 50 by 9 nines are 81 into 10 the power n minus 1 minus 5n by 9. So here the value is 50 by 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 5n by 9. So here the sum to n terms of the series is 50 by 81 into 10 power n minus 1 minus 5n by 9. Example 2.52. Find the least positive integer n such that 1 plus 6 plus 6 square plus etc. plus 6 power n greater than 5000. So we have to find the least value for this n. So here this is in GP 1 plus 6 plus 6 square plus etc. plus 6 power n greater than 5000. So here we can apply the formula to find the sum of this GP. Here we have n terms. So the formula is Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So apply this formula for this GP. Here a is 1 and r is second term by first term, that is 6 by 1, which is equal to 6. Now instead of this we can find the sum, that is a into a is 1, 1 into r is 6, 6 power n minus 1 by 6 minus 1, r is 6, so 6 minus 1 greater than this 5000. Instead of this we found the sum of that by using this formula, which is greater than 5000. Now 1 into any values, that value. So 6 power n minus 1 greater than, sorry, divided by 6 minus 1 is 5, which is greater than 5000. 6 power n minus 1 greater than 5 into 5000 is 25,000. Now 6 power n greater than, take this one to the right side so that you will get 25,000 plus 1. So 25,000 and 1. Now see, 6 power 5 is 7,776. 6 power 6 is 46,656. Here, see here, the 6 power n value is greater than 25,001. So if the value of n is 5, it is 7,700. That is not greater than 25,000. This is less than 25,000. So this is not possible. See the next value. Next value is 6 power 6. So if the value of n is 6, here you will get 46,656. That is more than 25,000. So this is possible. So here the least positive value for n is 6. The least value. Least value for n is equal to 6. So this is the